Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here. Week 13, Life in the City. Here's your suggested schedule. I'm going to make this video short and sweet so you can get right to work. Just need to remind folks, please check your grades, go through the suggested schedule, go through everything for the week. We do have the one weekly quiz again this week, so please take that today on Monday as a pretest, and then we'll open it up again later in the week for you to get 100% once you've gone through it. Remember to take notes as you're going through the quiz so you know what's important to focus on for the week. We do have a discussion board and an assignment, and then your weekly quiz are the three things for this week. So suggested schedule. Please stick with the suggested schedule, or come up with your own schedule that works for you, but do make sure that you have that schedule ready to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Just really want to stress to people, we're coming up on the end of the semester. So many of you have done so much good hard work and learned so much. I want to make sure everyone is successful, passing the class with the grade that you feel good about and are proud to have earned. So with the end of the semester coming up, please look back to see if there's stuff that you need to do. And if your grade is not where you want it to be, come talk to me about it. You and I'm happy to have that discussion with you. Please remember, if you do have past work to make up, please get the current work, this week's work, done first, and then go back and work on past weeks and assignments. That way this won't be late. Remember, late work will be graded down 75%. You can only earn 75% on it, but current work you can still earn 100%. And so that's important to get this turned in on time. Let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you soon. Thanks.